Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Venmo account. So first, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. I'll not be able to provide that because I'm outside the US at the moment and I cannot log in into a Venmo account. So if you're looking for that, I truly apologize. So now how to delete a Venmo account. All you need to do, of course, is just go and log in into your account first. So once you're logged in into your account, of course, important note to know before deleting any account. So be sure that you move any remaining assets that you have in your account. So transfer the money to a bank account or a debit card that's already linked to your account, or send the money to another Venmo user, or you can return a payment back to the sender if he pays you. And yeah, if you have any pending transaction on Venmo, this will need to be completed before your accounts can be closed. So make sure it's finished. Any pending transactions, either you're getting paid or you're paying someone. And once you're done, then it can be closed. And of course, once your Venmo is closed, you'll receive one final transaction history message to the email address of on file, of course, with your Venmo accounts. Can you close your account? So you need to go to the account settings. Simply, you have to click on the Me tab. Basically, the Me tab is right here, as you can see at the bottom right corner. Once you click on it, you'll find a setting option or a gear icon at the top right corner. You can click on that. As you can see, settings gear, then selects an account under preferences, and then close on accounts, of course, or click on close Venmo accounts, and you should be good to go. Of course, if you have a personal account and the business profile, you want to just close the business profile, and you'll be able to do that. But if you want to close the business profile alone, but if you try to close the personal profile, I guess they will be closed together. So, an example, if you want to close your business profile, you need to contact them. And of course, some things that you should know as example. So, business profiles are permanently deleted when closed. They can be reactivated, not like a personal account. And you want to be able to create a second business profile ties to your personal account, and new business profile representing the same business entity can be created as well. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.